How to scan and generate a 2D plan with Nodalview. Start by opening your Nodalview app, then either create a new property or enter an existing one. Next, go to the fourth tab, the 2D Plans tab, and click on Take a Plan. Remember to activate airplane mode on your phone to avoid disrupting the scan. Tips will then appear before starting the scan. Read them carefully. Click OK. Then switch your phone to landscape orientation before starting the scan. You will be able to start scanning the first room you're in by filming the bottom of the walls to understand the layout of the room, and if there are windows or other features. Once you have scanned around the first room, continue the scan and move to the next room to scan the entire property. Remember to open the doors of your property in advance to facilitate your movement during the scan. If you shoot too close to obstacles, you will see the message, "Too close" appear, prompting you to move away. You may pass over a room several times when it is a passage space, such as a corridor or similar. That's not a problem. If your property has multiple floors, once all the rooms on the same floor have been scanned, always continue in the same single scan you started by taking the stairs to the next level in order to scan the entire new floor and so on. Once the entire property is scanned, click the red button to stop the recording, then confirm. The scan is loading, then give it a name and confirm. Now go to the web where the scan will transfer once airplane mode is disabled on your phone. On the web, find the property you created, which includes your scan, and click on the icon. The scan then appears, so you can click on the button to transform into a 2D plan. You will be able to choose to generate a basic 2D plan costing 15 Nodalview credits or a 2D plan with fixed furniture for 30 credits. Then click on Continue. Next, click on Confirm Purchase using Nodalview credits. The generation request has been taken into account and will be processed within 24 hours. You will then receive an email when the 2D plan has been generated. You can then retrieve and download it directly from the same property on the web. You have several download options. The style: you can download your 2D plan in black and white, in color as a blueprint, or in your brand's colors. The type of measurement, square meters or length by width. The file format, and you can also choose whether or not to display the room names, room measurements, your logo, as well as whether to combine all the different floors into a single file or have one floor per file. Thank you.